tekan kalembur nya duit beak telepon kasahannya. Oh, orang telepon lah ke si Neng. Halo, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Gimana kabarnya? Baik.
Alhamdulillah baik. Kumaha jang tumben? Pasti kamu mau curhat ya?
Apalan wae euy.
Dagus biasa juga gitu atuh da. Emang mau curhat naon ai kamu?
Ini aku teh kangen kasih emak kan di lembur. Ingat wae eta yang seberapa we. Duka we ingat terus.
Atuh sama ya tama. Sebenarnya mah aku ge kangen kasih emak teh. Komo kana pasak Pariana.
Kamu makan pari mah payet. Emang resep gitu. Tapi biasa nama sih pasakan si mama emang tau pasti kangen gitu.
Emang pahit. Tak apa lunya. Pokoknya mama ada pasakan teh bawa-bawa. Kamu aja lain kangen si emaknya.
Kamu masuk apalan wae ari teh teh. So, jadi era ka aku nage tuh. Jempe we bae.
Kamu mah iyalah pasti apal.
Sebenarnya mah sih lain ku kangen teuing ari urang mah ngan rek meta duit. Tapi baewernya daripada kalaparan di kota. Ya kangen oge sih kangen, cuman ya kangen oge rek meta duit.
Tuh kan, kamu mah pasti modus.
Yang penting mah dompet keisian bisa banyak deh di kota yang dahar. Bae ya. Monyet.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy. You gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. And this journey I've been on since 13. Working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, know I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you